Hey Dipakshi, explore our top 3 recommendations for minimal luxury watches where clean designs and quality make a stylish statement. First up is the Michael Kors Mini Slim Runway Watch. This iconic timepiece features a sleek round dial in a stunning sunray finish accented by modern stick indices. Crafted from rose gold tone stainless steel, it effortlessly transitions from casual to dressy for almost any occasion. The watch comes with a precise quartz movement and is water resistant up to 50 meters. Next up is the Versace V Tribute watch. It features a round blue dial with classic Roman numerals and the iconic Medusa at the 12 o'clock position. With a watch case encircled by the signature Greca pattern, it boasts a precise quartz movement and is water resistant up to 50 meters. The watch also comes with a durable sapphire glass and a stylish stainless steel bracelet. Lastly, the Tissot Flamingo Tea Lady watch. Featuring a Swiss quartz movement, this timepiece boasts a beautiful white mother of pearl dial adorned with sparkling diamond indexes. The sleek grey stainless steel strap is secured with a butterfly clasp and push buttons for added convenience. The watch comes with water resistance of up to 50 meters and a scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Comment below what you want us to cover next.